Good morning all. My name is Shane Baker and I am a student at CQU currently studying a Bachelor's of Secondary Education. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating topic of creating a brain-friendly classroom for our students. As beginner teachers, we know the brain is an organ of learning, and understanding how the brain works can help us create optimal learning environments that support our students' cognitive, emotional and social development. So let's explore what a brain-friendly classroom entails, why it's important, and some key strategies to implement. During the professional development, The Social Brain, which is about uncovering key concepts about the significance of our social brain to our very existence, I learned that a brain-friendly classroom is a learning environment that is designed to align with how our brain learns best. It takes into consideration the cognitive, emotional, and social aspects of our students' development. It emphasizes creating a safe and inclusive classroom environment, incorporating brain-friendly teaching practices, managing stress while promoting student wellness, and understanding the social brain and neuroplasticity. By optimizing our learning environments to support the brain's natural processes, we can enhance students' engagement, retention, and overall learning outcomes. But first, we should have an understanding of how the brain works by diving into the fascinating world of neuroscience and exploring the intricate workings of the human brain. The brain is a complex organ that serves as the command center of the body, responsible for processing information, generating thoughts and emotions, and controlling our actions and behaviors. It consists of billions of neurons, which are specialized cells that communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Neurons are connected in intricate networks, forming pathways that allow information to flow throughout the brain. When we learn, form memories, or experience emotions, these pathways light up with activity, creating a symphony of neural firing. Different regions of the brain have specialized functions. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, is involved in decision-making, problem-solving, and social cognition. The hippocampus, nestled deep within the brain, is crucial in forming and retrieving memories. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure, plays a key role in processing emotions. But the brain is not a fixed organ. It has the incredible capacity for change, known as neuroplasticity. Neurons can form new connections, and structure and function of the brain can be shaped by our experiences, environmental factors, and learning. Emotional well-being and social interactions play a significant role in brain development as well. Positive and nurturing relationships, supportive environments, and rich learning experiences can promote healthy brain development, while adverse experiences such as stress and trauma can impact brain function. Understanding how the brain works is crucial in educational settings. It provides insight into how students learn, process information, and regulate emotions. By creating a supportive and stimulating environment that promotes neuroplasticity and emotional well-being, teachers can optimize the learning and development of their students. So let's continue to unlock the mysteries of the brain and use this knowledge to enhance our teaching practices for the benefit of our students. So, what exactly does it mean to have a brain-friendly classroom? Essentially, it means creating an environment that is conducive to the brain's natural processes of acquiring, processing, and retaining information. It involves understanding the neural connections in the brain, how emotions impact learning, and the importance of creating a positive and inclusive classroom culture. One important aspect of the brain that impacts learning is the social brain. The social brain refers to the network of the brain region involved in social cognition, including understanding emotions, empathy, perspective taking, and social interactions. Another essential concept is neuroplasticity, which refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt in response to the experiences and environmental influences. Understanding neuroplasticity helps us recognize that the brain is not a fixed entity, rather a dynamic organ that can be shaped through learning and experiences. This highlights the importance of providing enriched and stimulating learning experiences in the classroom to promote neural connections and enhance learning outcomes. Creating a brain-friendly classroom is fundamental because it directly affects students' abilities to learn and succeed. When students feel safe, supported, and engaged, their brains are more receptive to learning. Dr. Judy Willis, a neurologist and classroom teacher, is an expert on brain research related to learning, and she explains that students in a brain-friendly classroom are more likely to be motivated, actively engaged, and achieve better academic outcomes. Additionally, In a brain-friendly classroom, it promotes social emotional well-being, which is essential for students' overall development and success in life. Now, let's dive into some key strategies that can help us create a brain-friendly classroom. Creating a safe and inclusive classroom environment. By building positive relationships with our students, establishing clear expectations for behaviour, and promoting inclusivity and diversity, we can create a sense of belonging and safety in the classroom. This supports students' emotional well-being, enhances their motivation, and fosters a positive learning environment. Incorporating brain-friendly teaching practices, engaging students in active learning, incorporating retrieval practice, and adapting instruction to meet students' diverse needs can optimize their learning experiences. These strategies stimulate multiple areas of the brain, strengthen memory consolidation and retrieval processes, and promote better retention of information. Managing stress while promoting wellness. Teaching stress management techniques, promoting physical activity and healthy habits, and fostering a positive classroom culture can help students regulate their emotions, reduce stress levels, and support their overall well-being. This is crucial for optimizing students' cognitive function and creating a positive learning environment. Nurturing the social brain and leveraging neuroplasticity. Understanding the social brain and neuroplasticity can greatly impact our approach to creating a brain-friendly classroom. Incorporating activities that promote social interactions, empathy, and perspective taking can support students' development of their social brain. Providing opportunities for students to engage in collaborative learning, group discussions, and peer interactions can enhance their social and emotional skills and foster a positive classroom culture. Furthermore, by recognizing the brain's capacity for neuroplasticity, we can design learning experiences that promote positive changes in our students' neural connections, and this can be achieved through varied and stimulating instructional approaches, such as hands-on activities, problem-solving tasks, and real-world applications. By nurturing the social brain and leveraging neuroplasticity, we can optimize students' cognitive development, promote social emotional well-being, and create a brain-friendly classroom environment that supports students' overall learning and success. In conclusion, creating a brain-friendly classroom involves understanding how the brain learns best and implementing strategies that align with its natural processes. By creating a safe and inclusive classroom environment, incorporating brain-friendly teaching practices, and managing stress and promoting student wellness, we can enhance our students' engagement, retention, and overall learning outcomes. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that these strategies will be valuable additions to your teaching practices as we strive to create optimal learning environments for our students.